This video we will be talking about the CFA Level 1 exam. This is just a sample video and I would highly encourage you to visit our website www.shrivi.org/CFA to gain access to the entire video lectures, notes, slides, mock exams and many more. CFA Level 1 consists of 10 topic areas. The first one is ethical and professional standards. The second is quantitative methods. Third is economics. Fourth is financial reporting and analysis. Fifth is corporate finance. Sixth is portfolio management. Seventh is securities market and equity investments. 8 is fixed income. 9 is derivatives. And 10 is alternative investments. It does not matter which topic you study first. Our team at Shrivi has developed a unique approach to study this 10 topic, dividing it into 4 magic blocks. We will discuss about them in our coming slides. About the CFA Level 1 paper-based exam, which is valid only until December 2020. The total number of questions is 240 and the total time is 6 hours, but it's divided into 2 sessions as it's mentioned here. The first one is the morning session and the second one is the afternoon session. Each session is of 3 hours and each of them contains 120 multiple choice questions covering all the 10 topics. So 2 sessions, 120 questions each, and also 3 hours. You would have a break in between. Beginning from January 2021, CFA Society is starting the computer-based CFA Level 1 examinations, which would be almost similar to the paper-based exams, but the total number of questions would be reduced from 240 to 180. And also the total number of duration for the exam would be reduced to 4.5 hours. There will be 2 sessions again. And in each session you need to solve 90 multiple choice questions and you would be given 2 hours and 15 minutes for each of them. So if you are wondering how much time to spend on each question, here is the answer. It would be about 90 seconds for each of the multiple choice questions. 90 seconds only. One of the tips would be not to spend too much time on a single multiple choice question, as it would kill your valuable time and you should move forward rather than spending too much time. It all depends on the topic, how well you understand the topic, so you may need more or less time depending on the question and how well you understand the topic. How much time is required to prepare for the CFA Level 1 exam? Every student at one point must have asked these questions, that how much time we should spend for preparing for the CFA Level 1 exam. Successful candidates have shown that they have studied for 300 hours preparing for the CFA Level 1 exams and they passed the exam. Here is the list of all the topics and how much they weight in the CFA exam. So like ethics will be 15 to 20% of the entire exam, making it a very important topic. While framing your strategy, it's important to keep all the topics and how much they weight in your mind. Our team at Shrivi has already created a magic strategy through which 99% of our students were able to pass the exam in the first attempt. Here are our 4 magic boxes and our magical approach to the CFA Level 1 exam. These boxes contain combination of topics. Our prep course begins from the first magic box and goes until the last magic box. To have access to our magical approach, I would request you to enroll in our CFA prep course. What next? We will begin with our first chapter in our first magic box, which is financial reporting and analysis. It weights 13 to 17% of the entire exam, which makes it a very important topic.